Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hello, my name is Marlene and I also go by Glamurdayz. So today I'm going to be doing something different. I'm not going to be doing a look. I'm literally barefaced right now. I have no makeup on besides my eyebrows and maybe a little bit of highlight. But other than that, I have no foundation on, no nothing. So I asked a few of you guys what you guys want me to record next, and a lot of you wanted me to do a Q&A here on my channel. So that's what we're going to be doing today. And I got my handy little notebook. And I have these questions from you guys, so I'm going to go ahead and answer them. The first question that I got is, what is my favorite skincare product? I don't have a favorite skincare product because I try to use different things all the time, but what I do like a lot are face mask sheets. I love them. I love face mask sheets. I love the Sephora ones, the Boschia. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but I like theirs because it's a gel consistency. It's not like just the sheet, but I like those. Another question that I got is, what is your favorite memory of makeup and who got you into makeup? So my favorite memory of makeup definitely has to be Generation Beauty 2015. I got to meet Manny MUA, so that was like exciting. And also Patrick Starr. I got to meet What Would Lizzie Do? I met Devon. I met Ashley Wagner. I also met Luster Lux, Katie. And I saw Desi, but Desi was too poppin'. Like, nobody could take a picture with her. And I met a few other people there. So I really think that that's my favorite memory of makeup. And not only that, but I got, time to spend with my best friend and her sisters. So we had a very good trip for Generation Beauty 2015. And I can't wait for Generation Beauty 2018. It's gonna be poppin'. Who got you into makeup? I always watched my sister, Jamie, shout out to you if you're seeing this video. She did cosmetology. She was 17, 18 years old. And I remember as a kid, I loved watching her get ready. She always would purchase freaking MAC, expensive ass shit. And I would always like look at her and I was like, oh, I really like the colors. She would do like a lot of smoky eyes. And then in 2012, my cousin, Jenny, she's the one that introduced me to makeup. I used to be a normal girl, freaking 18-year-old. Wait, was I 18? Was I 18 or 19? I'm lying, I was 20, 21. I was a normal 21-year-old who only wore literally just eyeliner and mascara. And after that, like, it was an amazing experience. That's all I'm gonna say. It was a very amazing experience. I met Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I met Jeffree Star. What was his name? Mac Daddy. I think that's his name. But it was a really nice experience, and ever since then I've loved makeup and I am addicted to makeup. So that answers that for you. When did you start doing makeup? I started doing makeup in 2012. Officially, like the end of 2012. No, I'm lying. It was like the beginning of 2013 because I had products that I can actually play with. And officially like start doing makeup looks was 2015. What's your favorite look to do on a daily basis? On a daily basis, you're gonna catch me like this, bare face. Sometimes you won't even catch me with my brows done. Like, I'm bare all day. I love my skin. I'm very comfortable with my skin. But if I was to be like a straight let's get glam on the daily basis, I love smoky eyes. Maybe because of my colored eyes, anything that I do smoky, they just pop out more. But I love smoky eyes. The other question is, do you prefer matte or gloss, glitter or matte? Matte or gloss, definitely I prefer glossy lips. I do enjoy matte though, so it's a 50-50. And I think you would feel the same, you know, because sometimes you just want to have a nice juicy lips, and then there's times where you just want a nice matte lipstick. So it's kind of hard to pick between those two. As to glitter or matte, I love mattes. Mattes are my favorite. What made you decide what you want to do? Wait, what made you decide you want to do makeup? What made me decide that I wanted to do makeup? Honestly, I started doing makeup because I have a lot of friends who were telling me like, oh my god, Marlene, you should, you know, show us or teach me something. And I would get on my Snapchat and record myself, and I swear to you, I would have about 10-13 messages to open, and everybody would tell me like, oh my god, Marlene, you do good makeup, you should do makeup looks. And I deactivated my social account, which was, I think, Blessed G on Instagram. I deactivated that, and I said, you know what, if I'm really gonna get into makeup, I need to do my own personal makeup account. And that's when I decided to do Glamurdayz, and it's glam, you are, and days with a Z. So that's why I did my YouTube as Glamurdayz, and all my other social medias, which is Instagram and Snapchat, as Glamurdayz. Who inspires me? I find I find inspiration on a lot of things. It could be somebody's picture. I can literally feel inspiration going outside and looking at the sky. I find inspiration in everything and anything. And I honestly, I mean, if I stare out at something, like right now I'm staring at pink and blue, I'm thinking of like this bomb pink and blue with maybe green and make it like into a watermelon look. Like, it's just, I just think about stuff, and then I honestly look at whatever palette I have and I'll go after that color and just create something. So I really can't say what inspires me, because everything does inspire me. I have a funny one. It says, why are you a bad bee? I'm not a bad bee. And B, I mean like bitch. I'm not a bad bitch. I don't consider myself a bad bitch. Everybody says that I look like a bad bitch, but I'm not. I'm literally like the most laid back, chill person you can ever meet. I try to be real, you know, and I'm trying to be real with everybody, and sometimes it bites me in the ass, but you gotta be, you know, truthful on everything and anything that you do. And if that includes losing friendships and, you know, being a bad bitch, then it is what it is. But I don't know, that I don't really think I consider myself a bad bitch. The next one, it says, are you married or are you having any kids? And do you plan to continue doing makeup? Am I married? No, I am not married. I've been with my partner for 8 years already. It was on and off in the first 2-3 years, but we officially, like, you know, work together. Am I planning to have any kids? No, I don't want kids. I love kids, don't get me wrong. They're cute and all when they're babies. They smell good and they're so cute. But I'm just terrified to bring a baby to this world. You know, our world is not the same. And I don't want to bring something that didn't ask to be brought here to come and suffer. I mean, like, our world is just... It's scary. It's scary. I can't even think about it, because it gives me anxiety to think about having kids. But I'm very open to it. I mean, if God does give me a kid, then it's by him. It's his grace. He wants to do what he wants to do with my life, and if he wants to make me become a parent, then by all means I will accept it and I will handle my stuff. But in the meantime, if I can prevent it, I ain't having kids. I will continue to do makeup. I'm actually just barely starting this whole makeup thing. I really want to get, you know, comfortable and recording myself on YouTube here and just expressing myself through makeup. But I don't think there's ever gonna be an end to makeup. I mean, this makeup industry just has blown up so much in 2016, 17, and 18, and I know next year for sure, like, makeup companies and everything's just gonna blow up because there's always new things coming out every day, every month, you know, collabs and all this stuff. So I plan on staying, you know, on makeup for a while. Alright, you guys, I'm done with all the questions, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, if you are not subscribed, please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button. Also give it a thumbs up and let me know what you guys want to see next. I love you guys, and thank you for supporting me on this journey. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.
I don't wanna miss a beat.